Today we're going to be making some gem slime. It came with some gems that we can fill up. I have a diamond here, a round diamond gem, the moon, a star, a heart, and a triangle. And it also came with these really cool fun glittery packs in different colors, and there's some beads in here too, just to make your slime more fun. And it came with 6 individual packs of slime. We'll open that later. Pink, green, and we have that color here too. So we're going to try and pack these gems with the slime and decorate them a little bit, and then later we'll combine everything here on top of the unicorn and maybe some decorations with some of our utensils here. Let's go with the blue first. We'll use the diamond. And before we put it in, we'll just set that off to the side. We'll choose a couple of toppings that we can put on top. So we want to put it in first so it can be on top of our slime. Okay, just a little bit. We'll put this over here. Anything that comes out goes right into the jar where we're going to have it eventually anyway. It really does not want to come out. That is some sticky slime. Yeah! It is bubble. Yep, it is sticky. Go, 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 go. Ah, it does not want to leave. Okay, go on, go. Ah, okay, do you see that? Super strong. So we'll pack this in there. We've got our goopy slime already starting beautifully. If I can get it to stop attaching itself to me, we can leave that in there. And we can even top it off again. This time we can use maybe some of these. These are like foam balls. Whew, yeah, definitely foamy. Okay, we'll just keep those in there. And we have one gem done. You can kind of see the balls through the foam and the plastic and the glitter. And later we'll mix this up real well. So we'll put this one here. Next we'll go with a pink star. See if we can get this one out. So this one, I actually like the big beads at the bottom. I think that would be more fun. Beautiful. We used a ball, but that's okay. We'll mix all of it later. Okay. Now here comes the fun part of getting this sticky stuff out of the plastic. Just a reminder, this is gem slime, and we'll be doing a little something extra at the very end here for you guys. Oh, it likes to bubble up. Let's take a little bit of the gem, and we'll poker. Doesn't want to poke. Okay, we'll just shove that back in there. Oh, it is really challenging to get this slime out. Some slime is really gentle, and this one is just super thick, like snot. There you go. Ugh. So it's really hard not to get your fingers stuck in there as you're doing this. And I don't think, I'm not sure we're gonna be able to get that out. So we're just gonna do just the beads. Try to scrape it off, a little medium here. Oh, did you see that? It's gooping out. It does not want to be contained. And there we go. We have a little bit of a beady star. Okay, let's do the moon. I actually want to use the foam and the blue on the moon. So maybe we can waste the rest of this. There we go. And let's put yellow. Oh, it is overflowing. Look at that. Look how fun. Oh my goodness. Oh. Trick is to get it back in there, right? With all these foam beads coming out. Oh my god. Okay. So we'll smash that like that. Scrape it off. No way not to get messy here. Have fun with it. Oh, look at that goop. It does not want to be in there. We'll take that out. Put that there. And we have our moon gem. So I'm going to go ahead and do these two so we can combine everything and have fun with it. Okay, that looks fun. Look at that. Ooh, how glittery that is. Everything has a bubble. There we go. We'll pop that one. Cool. Super, super slimy. Woo. Okay. And beautiful. Look at that. Looks like an ocean gemstone with some pink in there. It's really pretty. I think this one would be fun to put on the top of this one. Just light pink. Do another contrast. Popped. Look. Look at that, it is holding the jar by itself. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. That was beautiful. Did you see that? It didn't stick to me at all. went right in. So far we have these. Oh, we have a heart. Look at that. One more. This one we can do a nice blue contrast with the green. In fact, we might even be able to add a little something extra. Put that up there. Little blue sprinkles. Okay, right on the top. And we'll add these ones back in because that was a little bit fun. And the last color we have is like a red. Okay guys, we got another strong one that doesn't want to come out. Okay, good. Okay, ooh, that was nice. Like, can you guys see the little beads inside there along with the blue? Okay, turn that one that way. And there you have it. We have now made gem slime. Follow, like, and subscribe. We have the next one where we're going to take all 6 of these and we're going to combine them and make different designs with these utensils. Follow along.